Hello everyone, my name is Leslie. I am the owner, founder, and product creator of Evolved Essentials. I started this company back in 2019, just selling tooth powders, and I still just sell tooth powders, but I hope to make soaps too. So I started this channel because I wanted to share my experiences with running an online shop and make helpful video tutorials about various aspects of the process, such as like taking professional quality pictures with just an iPhone and how to edit them, because that's very important for making your photos look very good. Also, I just want to share with you my soap making journey. It really is a journey, kind of learning all the various aspects of that. So I wanted to make videos sharing that with anyone that's interested. So if you are a small business owner, planning on making your own online shop, or just interested in DIY natural care products and how to make soap, I hope you stick around and subscribe. And yeah, so welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next video. Bye.